Good morning children. Coming to the sixth part of motion. Here we are going to study about speed and velocity. Now what is speed? Suppose a car covers a distance of 30 kilometers in 1 hour. So the speed of the car is 30 kilometers per hour. Okay, then how do we define speed as? We define speed as the distance traveled by an object in unit time. The distance traveled by an object in unit time is called the speed of the object. Speed does not require any direction. Okay, you can move like this, you can go this way, then this way. The speed is the total distance that you are covering and how much time you are taking to cover it. The ratio between the distance and the time is the speed, denoted by V. Speed denoted by small v is equal to distance s by time t. Since no direction is needed, it is a scalar quantity. The SI unit is meter per second and the larger unit is kilometer per hour. Then what is velocity? Similar to that of speed, but here we need a specific direction. Velocity is the distance traveled by an object in unit time and in a given direction. So velocity is equal to distance traveled in given direction divided by time. The ratio of distance traveled in given direction by time. Now what is distance traveled in given direction? Distance traveled in given direction is the displacement. So velocity is displacement by time. Since velocity needs a direction, so it is a vector quantity. The SI unit for velocity is same to that of speed, that is meter per second. Okay, if I say, for example, if I say that the car has traveled 30 kilometers in one hour towards north. Okay, then this becomes what? This becomes the in 1 hour. Okay, this becomes the velocity. Understood? SI unit same as that of speed, that is meter per second, and for larger measurements we take kilometer per hour. Now how to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour? To convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, first you need to convert meter to kilometer and then seconds to hour. So you can easily get kilometer per hour. Now speed is of three types: uniform speed, non-uniform speed. Two types actually, and then we need average speed, because when we have non-uniform speed then we take out the average speed. Okay, the object in uniform speed, I explained uniform and non-uniform motion. This is similar to that. Okay, when the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, similar to that of uniform motion. So this is when it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, then it is uniform speed. And when it is non-uniform speed, when the object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Equal distance in equal intervals of time, suppose it covers 30 kilometer in 1 hour, then 60 kilometer in 2 hours, then 90 kilometers in 3 hours. Then this is what? This is difference. It's 30 kilometer it is covering in each hour. Okay, it is covering 30 kilometers in each hour. Then the body is said to be having uniform speed. And when is non-uniform speed? When the body covers, or when the object covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Suppose it covers 30 kilometer in 1 hour, then 50 kilometer it reaches in 2 hours. Okay, then it reaches 60 kilometer in 3 hours. What is the time interval? Time interval is 1 hour. Okay, and then 30 to 50 it is covering 20 kilometers in the first hour it is covering how much? 30 kilometers. But in the second hour it is covering how much? 20 kilometers. So there is no uniformity in the distance, unequal distances it is covering. And then third hour it is covering 10 kilometers. So this is non-uniform speed. Clear? Now what is uniform velocity? Coming to uniform velocity are of two types, uniform and non-uniform. Coming to uniform velocity, if an object moves equal distance in equal time interval in a given direction. Then it is said to be in uniform velocity. Okay, suppose it is covering 30 kilometer, moving 30 kilometer towards north. Okay, in the first hour, 1 hour. Then it is moving 60 kilometers towards north in second hour. Then 90 kilometers towards north in the third hour. Okay, so time interval is how much? 1 hour each, and the distance covered is 30 kilometers. Okay, the distance kilometer here is 30 kilometer, which is uniform, equal distance that it is covering, and then it is the time interval is also equal and the direction is also same. Then what is non-uniform velocity? Non-uniform velocity is if a body covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time in a given direction. Here direction is same, time interval is same, but distance travelled is not equal. Suppose a body is travelling 20 kilometers in the first hour towards east, then it covers 10 kilometers in the second hour. So, okay, in the second 1 hour it is covering 10 kilometers. First 1 hour it is covering 20 kilometers towards east in the first hour. Then next hour it is covering 10 kilometers, direction is east in the second hour. Okay, second 1 hour it is covering 10 kilometers. Then it covers suppose 30 kilometers towards the same direction in the third hour. So here we see that the direction is the same. The time interval is the same, 1 hour. Okay, but then the distance travelled is not equal. So this comes under non-uniform velocity. Then if a body is covering equal distance in equal intervals of time but direction keeps changing. Suppose it is covering 10 kilometer in first hour towards east, then it covers 10 kilometer in the second hour towards north. Okay, then it is covering again 10 kilometer in the third hour, and this is towards, again it comes back to, suppose it is coming to west. Okay, so here you see, here direction is same, distance is same. Distance it is covering 10 kilometer in each hour. That time interval is also, first hour it is covering 10 kilometers, second hour covering 10 kilometers, third hour covering 10 kilometers. But here what is changing? The direction is changing. First it is moving towards east, then towards north, and then towards west. So this also comes under non-uniform velocity. Then unequal distance in equal time interval and also direction keeps changing. Here two things are changing. Okay, time interval 1 hour, second hour, third hour. Okay, so this is time interval is how much? Here it is 1 hour and here also it is 1 hour. Okay, in the first hour it is covering 20 kilometers towards north. In the second hour it is covering 15 kilometers towards east. In the third hour it is covering, suppose, 30 kilometers towards south. Okay, so here you see the distance traveled is not equal and the direction also keeps changing. In all these three cases, we find that the velocity is not uniform. It comes under non-uniform velocity. Okay, clear? Speed, velocity. Speed is distance traveled in unit time. Velocity is distance traveled in unit time in a given direction. Okay, SI unit for both is same. Speed, scalar quantity, velocity, vector quantity. Speed, uniform speed and non-uniform speed. If equal distance in equal interval of time, uniform speed. If unequal distance in equal interval of time, then it is non-uniform speed. Then uniform velocity is equal distance in equal interval of time in given direction. This is uniform velocity, and non-uniform is unequal distance in equal interval of time in a given direction. Equal distance in equal interval of time but direction is keeping changing. Then unequal distance in equal interval of time and also direction keeps changing. And when we have non-uniform speed, we need to calculate average speed.